Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tony, this is TC's Outdoors, and today we're gonna do some work outside. It's gorgeous out here, but first this morning I need to check on the boiler. So there's the woodshed, isn't that beautiful? So we'll take a look at the boiler. The fans are blowing, it must be doing some kind of maintenance or something. There's no smoke, so 221 for the firebox and 185 for the water. So that's the set point, definitely not running. So last night about 7:30 I came out here and loaded her up, and we'll see what's left. I put 4 or 5 pieces of wood in there, something like that, and it's done doing whatever it's doing. And if you see in there, we got just coals. So I'm gonna break that up and throw a couple pieces of wood in there, and then we'll talk in a second. I need to move that over here. Okay, so as I was doing the roof video for the woodshed, I talked about needing to get rid of a stump. Well, the stump is gone. Check it out. So a friend of mine at work let me borrow that stump grinder, and holy cow, does that thing do some serious damage. Pretty awesome. It was great of him to let me borrow it. Thank you, Dan. Big shout out to you, bud. So if you see Dan Yates in the comments, guys, let him know. Thank you. So now that that's out of the way, I can bring some gravel over here, get this brought up to grade, and then I'm going to bring those totes over here, or at least a few of them. That way I can start burning up those offcuts, and because I've got another pile out there that I got to split, but I don't have any place to put them. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to get some gravel moved, but first we got to get over to the Kioti, get it warmed up, get it greased, and I got to figure out some ballast weight. I took my box blade off because I needed the drawbar for that stump grinder, but I think I'm going to put the box blade back on. That's the only ballast I've got for right now. So either way, enough babbling. Let's get over there. Okay, so forever later, the tractor's warm and the box blade's on. Holy smokes, that was a chore. All right, let's go move some gravel, guys. unfortunate chain of events. Where is it? Right there. That's the GoPro. Hopefully it's okay. I just got up to move it. It looks like that I might have run it over. Where's the camera? Here's the GoPro. I'm gonna go in and change the battery and see if it turns on. That's a bummer. Okay, so a little update on the GoPro. It is working. The front screen's pretty sure broken, but it turned on, and we'll see if it records. All the gravel is moved, or at least all the gravel I'm going to move today is moved. I've got it built up. I've brought that up to grade over there, and I've got one tote and an apple bin that's got a little bit of firewood left in it, and I'm going to burn that up. And then I've got the rototiller in here. So hopefully I'll get these two bins burned up before the weather gets real bad, so I can move two more up here, and then I can work away at it, and that'll give me a couple 2-3 crates in order to split some of the offcuts into. But see, I've kind of got this, I left it a little high. I know it's going to settle. We've got some rain coming in the forecast, hopefully, and it'll do its natural settling thing over the next few weeks, and then I will finish moving whatever I need out of that pile over here and get it all nice and finished off and smoothed out, and that'll be it. And then I'll just push the rest of that stuff out in the driveway and smooth it out, and that'll be good for the winter. So I'm not 100% sure that this is actually recording. So as you guys see or saw in the video, I ran over the GoPro with the tractor. It fell off. I had it up on the ROPS, and I'm not sure exactly if it vibrated off or what happened. I had it on a little magnet mount, took a dive, and it took me like 25 minutes to find it, because once I realized it was gone, I backtracked all the way around and ended up, it was right by the pile of gravel. So either way, of course, I had to run it over. The front screen's broken, but that's not the end of the world. Hopefully the camera's still working like it's supposed to, and we'll be good to go. Big thank you again to Dan for letting me borrow that stump grinder. That is huge. That is going to be able to not just put in the gravel over there, but if you see right where I'm standing here, that was a big giant maple stump, and there was another one just like it, just a little bit past that wire reel there, just a little bit past there was another one, and they would not pull them out when they did all the stumps, when they did the original site work, because there's underground phone lines that run right through here, and they were too close to it and they didn't feel comfortable pulling them, so they left them. And I've been procrastinating on getting them ground up, but I just got in touch with a guy about a month ago maybe, and he's going to do the grade work. So it's hard to see on camera, but there's a dip right here, and this is my leach field, and there's a low spot, and there's a big high spot, and there's another low spot. There's just like two little pools. Getting these stumps gone is going to be huge, because now they're not in the guy's way when he comes and do the grade work. He'll be able to knock all this down and take the water that way. Hopefully he shows up. I haven't had a lot of success with contractors showing up, but hopefully this guy shows up. I don't know. But either way, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me and spending some time today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and have a good rest of the day. Take care, guys. We'll see you.